So for her, what yesterday when she came, she never had a pregnancy before. Yeah, in 15 years of married, and she not underwent any IVF treatment or anything. But when we saw your uterus, there was a big fibroid.
How many of them?
There's one fibroid which is around 3 centimeters, and it is inside the place where the baby has to sit. That means it is obstructing the baby for implantation. It can be also one of the reasons for your, infertility. Or in future, say suppose you have a baby, it can be reason for your miscarriage. So whenever there is a fibroid, definitely of 2 centimeters and above, and if it is in the uterus, and if it is somewhere, say some people say it is just away or it is not touching the line, then what is the point of taking it out? Thing is, like, whenever the baby is growing, along with that, this fibroid also grows. So there is good chance that this fibroid is just kicking away the baby. Good chance that there is a second trimester miscarriage. So whenever we are going for an IVF, if it is 2 centimeters above and if it is within the uterus, we got to remove the fibroid.
How about outside? Is there anything outside?
Outside, no. Also, there is a little poor quality eggs, for which we will be doing your PRP, myomectomy, hysteroscopy. Hysteroscopy is we will put a camera inside the uterus, see how much space you have for the baby and how your tubes are, and at the same time we want to remove your infection. If there is any infection, we want to remove it. So all the 4 procedures in one anesthesia we want to do for you, so that next you are ready for your cycle. Okay. So once the fibroid is removed, you can actually take 3 months gap for the time of embryo transfer. But the moment the fibroid is taken, after next month itself, you can do the egg pickup, because egg and uterus, there's 2 different organs, right? So we will be, there won't be any disturbance for the eggs. Stimulation we can do, and at the same time the uterus will be healing. Once we are done with the pickup, we will be putting the embryos.
No time will be wasted.
No time will be wasted in your case. Okay.
So is there any fibroids outside?
Outside, no. Inside there is one 3 centimeters. That's quite big. That needs to be removed.